If you are looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl with lane departure warning, off-road suspension, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, off-road group, remote start system, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7908.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.